Want to create videos with artificial intelligence instead of starting from scratch? VEED can turn text prompts or scripts into videos and lets you customize visuals, voiceovers, subtitles, music, and other elements directly in the editor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI videos with VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into VEED and open the AI video creation tools from your dashboard. Depending on the current interface and your account, you can start with an AI prompt or an existing script. Starting with a script is especially useful when you already know exactly what you want the video to say. Next, describe the video you want to create or paste your own script. Be specific about the topic, audience, visual style, tone, and the type of video you're creating. Detailed prompts usually give the AI more useful direction. For example, you could ask for a professional tutorial video with clean visuals, captions, and a friendly voiceover. Finally, watch the complete video from beginning to end and check the narration, visuals, subtitles, timing, and audio. When you're satisfied with the result, click Done or use the available export option to create the finished video. So your AI-generated video is now ready to download, share, or continue editing. And that's how to create AI videos with VEED. Start with a prompt or script, choose your video settings, generate the content, refine it in the editor, and export the finished result. I mean, the more specific your prompts become, the easier it is to guide the AI toward the style and message you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.